Hello everyone, so here's a tutorial on leather skirt rendering. For that I have already drawn this skirt and made some fold lines. Now as my skirt is of brown color, you can keep any color. So what I'm doing is I'm doing the base coat with Staedtler's. Yes, or if you have pencil color, but Staedtler is water soluble, that is why I'm using it. So here I am leaving some white spaces. As you can see, I have already drawn the fold lines, the creases that are appearing. So I am leaving that area vacant. I'm not filling any color over there, so that we can depict shine, which is natural in leather. So after the base coat, I'm darkening the areas beside the folds. Yes, I'm not darkening all of the brown area, but all that which is beside the fold, so that a depth can appear. We can show the depth of the garment. And as leather is a thick fabric, so giving depth is really necessary, and depth should be very intense. So we don't have to do it everywhere, but yeah, around 10% besides the folds, the creases. And you can see an effect of dark and light has start appearing. Now wherever we have done the dark brown area, wherever we have done that, we have to apply a darker shade of dark brown, and that should, we have to give an effect of quite dark. And as we are showing shadows in this part, this part is what which shows that here is a fall, and shadow falls on the depth of a fabric. So wherever we have given the depth, we have to apply this shade over that area. So keep doing this. As you can see, here's a back side of skirt which is visible, so I'm doing that properly black and doing the same thing, same technique all over the skirt. And a very nice depths are coming in our fabric. Make sure your folds are nicely done, and the brown part or the black part is not overpowering your depths. White area is properly visible, that is why our skirt is looking quite nice and shiny. Now what I'm doing is take the brown Staedtler again and smudge wherever you have done the darker shades. Apply brown Staedtler over it so that it can be smudged nicely and a nice shade of brown can appear. So now it's properly smudged and it's time to give the final finishing with black. So I'm darkening the edges. Yes, you can see I'm darkening the edges of the skirt because edges appear to be very intense, very dark in every garment. So I'm not doing it all over the skirt, just I'm giving some touches of it on the edges. And this is done. Last but not the least, and this is optional, outlining. So with outlining with this pen, I'm giving some finishing of stitch line as well, and our leather skirt is totally ready.